Hey guys, it's me, 𝙂𝙚𝙖𝙧. Today we're in the garage again with the 2024 Chevy Trax. This is a mod that I've wanted to do for a little while now. It's the hood struts that hold up the hood instead of using the prop rod. So we're going to get to that and see what this is all about. First, we're going to unbox and see the contents. Alright, so I took this tape off because you know how you like to wrap this stuff really good. Let's see. Yeah, so we got all these little pieces that we're going to put together. Oops, try not to lose any. Looks like it's pretty simple. There's the brand name there. You get the red line ones, but for them to come to Canada, they're going to charge around the same price and plus shipping and stuff. So I just decided to go with these. So here's the instructions here. If you want to pause the video and look at it, both sides there. Okay, what I did is I got a little chair beside me. Instead of having the parts fling around on the hood and losing stuff, I just put it beside the vehicle. As you can see, pardon the salt, it's really dirty up here in Southern Ontario, Canada.
Yes, Canada. It was a frozen, hostile wasteland.
So that's what we got going for us up here. Okay, so first tool you're gonna want to grab is a 13 mil on the ratchet. Okay, so then the first three pieces you're gonna need are these, and they're gonna be installed on this little hole. So you're gonna want to take this piece and put it underneath. Hold on to it, and you're going to want to feed this nut through it. And this should be, apparently this should be like this. So you get the idea. All right, so I got the piece down there. Just make sure you don't drop anything. Oh, I really hope I didn't jinx myself there. Okay, so we're going to screw it on, and for now we're just going to leave it like that. You can tighten that up later. So that's how that goes on. We'll get a little closer there. There we go. Alright guys, I made a little mistake, not about the size.
That's what she said!
13 mil, but it's got to be a deep well socket. I should have picked that up right when I was doing this. Tighten that up. There she goes. So she's nice and tight. That's not going anywhere. Make sure it's tight. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is take that same ratchet, 13 mil, and put it the opposite way. There's two bolts on the hood that holds the hood here. You're going to want to take the top one off. Okay, just be careful. Try not to scratch the paint. Just do that. You're going to want to grab the correct pieces here. This should be at the bottom and facing inwards. So this is going to go on. You're going to want to align it the way the picture wants you to do it. Let's see here. I'm just going to get this on first. You have to excuse me. It's quite cold today. My hands are not working properly. All right, so it's there. Okay, once you hand tighten it, you're just gonna want to make sure this thing's on tight. You want to hold that so it doesn't go anywhere. There we go, nice and snug. Okay, so you're gonna want to take the this part, the, what do they call it? Starting with the hood, the large body of the strut. You're gonna want to just put it in there. Okay, like we said, you take this part here, the larger part of the gas strut. Just push it in there. It's a little bit tight. Okay. I better go around this way. It's unfortunately, sometimes with the cameras, you can't do it properly. Alright, so there, and what the instruction tells you to do, it says you need someone to do this, but I'll try doing this by myself. I'm going to unlatch the hood. And put it up. This part should go right down in there. It does. That's it. So basically you just do it to the other side and you're done. All right, for a little recap on the other side, here's your parts. These here were sent, 2 pieces. Now these aren't even in the instructions, these things, so I don't know what they're for. I couldn't even figure out where to put them. Who knows? Anyways, they're not even in the instructions, so I'm not going to worry about it. So let's do a little recap now. All right, so we went ahead on, we're on the left side now, by the way. We did the right side first. So we went and tightened this piece up here. Next, we're going to go up on the, up here on the hood and take the first one out. All right, so I'm going to undo the latch. Make sure that comes off. Oh. Got it on tight. What am I doing here? All right. Screw it by hand. That aside. All right, then we're going to get this piece and make sure it's pointing that way. All I gotta do is tighten this up. For some reason these ones are, oh, there we go. So that's all lined up. Switch this, tighten it. Just nice and tight. We're going to take the large part of the body, install that. This is where you just lift the hood. It should just sit there. Now we're all good. As you can see over there, sorry about the light there. And you can see it's holding on its own. Beauty. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. We always love to hear your comments. I'm sorry if this seemed rushed. I did drop one of the pieces in the engine. No! No! had to dig for it way down here. Anyways, it was a nightmare. I got it out and got everything installed. So anyways, we'll see you in the next one. Like I say, comment and have a good